Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check whether your YouTube thumbnails are the ones sabotaging your views or clicks on YouTube. So we all know thumbnails are very much important. If you have a good content and your thumbnails are not doing very well, you're not going to get any clicks. If your thumbnails are not nice, thumbnails should be something like this but shouldn't be crowdy. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can check whether your thumbnails are the ones sabotaging you. In my previous video we talked about suggestions, so in this video we are talking about thumbnails. So let's come here. Mostly we check how our thumbnails is doing by using YouTube Studio, and then you check their ratings. I think you can't find it on a PC, but then you can find it on a mobile phone when you move to analytics. Mostly I don't take that into consideration because that's something calculated by a machine. You get me? You sometimes have to be realistic. You have to be realistic. So if they suggest a video of yours and then they put it downwards, down here, nobody's going to watch a video and then scroll down here to watch your video. And then the sad thing is, once they put it or place it into any listed video list, they count it. So in this case they will rank it and then give your thumbnail a ratio, and then they will say maybe your thumbnail is doing well, your thumbnail is not doing well. So in a case you feel, oh, my thumbnail is not doing well, let me change it. Sometimes it's not your thumbnail, it's how the impressions are being placed on YouTube. So now let's move to a couple videos of mine on my channel. These are videos that are doing very well. We are going to check the impressions, the analytics, for you to know, and then I'm also going to give you some instances you should check to know whether, or to notice whether your thumbnail is doing well or is not doing well. So now let's get going. But then before I even begin, if you like my analysis, this is a real analysis here by myself. If you like it, I think you should give this video a like and then subscribe to my channel. So now let's get going. So this is a video of mine on my channel. There's no monetized. It's very popular. 31,000 views here. So now let's look at something here. Let's move to our analytics, and now let's move to reach. Good. Let's expand our reach here. Thumbnails become important when they appear in places. So the most important place for a thumbnail to appear is number one, which is suggesting. So if your video appears to be on this side when someone's watching a video, and then it appears on this side, and you have a good thumbnail, you have a probability of getting a lot of views. Only if your video ranks higher. And then before YouTube will put a video high, let me do here, and the suggestions that you get here mostly
direct from your content.
Sorry, let me pause the video. So the suggestions you get here mostly are from the channel you are watching or popular videos. You can see here. So these are all popular channels here that you are going to get. Popular. The reason why they do this is they want people to enjoy their time on YouTube. So if I'm on YouTube, they want me to enjoy my time. So if I'm watching a video, they are going to give me a video that other people are watching, that has good retention rate. That's when they hop on it, they watch it for a long time before they leave. Click-through rate. Through rate means when people see it immediately, it draws their attention, they click on it, something like that. A lot of engagement, they have a lot of likes, comments, and the rest. So that's one thing here. So if your video has all these things I mentioned, that means you're going to be higher here. So in this case, if you have a good thumbnail, you're going to get a lot of views. But then if you don't have a good thumbnails, that's when you're not going to get any views. So you should be checking things like this. So if you want to know how your thumbnail is doing, you just hop on here. Don't be using that ratio by YouTube. It's not going to give you sincere statistics. It's going to make you feel you're not doing well. You should be realistic. You should hop on there, take the details of these impressions, and then know how things are going. You get me? So now let's move to the browse features. Another time your thumbnail matters is the browse features. So if your thumbnail is not doing very well and you appear here, people are not going to click. So when I hop on here, something like this, I think a video that I feel was nice, that has a good thumbnail, should be something like this, because this is kind of showing money and this is also nice. All these ones are movies and the rest, so they don't need to have catching thumbnails. Sometimes it's their title. So you can see here too. So if you have 55,000 and your thumbnails click-through rate is below 5% here, it means your thumbnail is not performing well. You need to rework on it, something like that. So that's it for checking whether your thumbnail is sabotaging you, or YouTube that is not giving or putting your video in places that your thumbnail should portray itself. So just like I said in this long tutorial, you don't need to be checking the ratio that YouTube gives you, because sometimes the impressions will be at bad places and you'll be thinking you're not doing a good job, but then you're doing a good one, but the fault is from their side. So now you just hop on the video and then you seem to analyze the figures they are giving you there, and then you get to know whether your thumbnail is doing good or it's not doing well. So that's it. If you are new here, do well to hit on the like button and then subscribe to my channel.